Good night, teacher and partners. Forum important events in my life. My name is Andres Mauricio Aurora Garcia. Teacher Angela Garzón. Technical and administrative process. Categories: a childhood memory, your favorite vacation, my favorite moment at school. A childhood memory. Why was that situation important in your life? I have always been a person who loves their parents, and I could not let its memory of my childhood pass with them. There is always an unconditional love, support, and affection with my parents that though this they endured since they supported me and they took care of me in my childhood and continue todos today. So that memory of love continues and with life on forever. Who were you with? And that time is with my dad and my mom in the kitchen. As you can see, we had a great smile and product of love and harmony, so great that in it always existed and existed in your lives. When how were you in that moment? Well, in that photo, if I was about 29 years old, but really in the moment next to my parents from my childhood have been full of love, affection, and excellent example to follow. Your favorite vacation. Where did you go? On that occasion, we traveled to Cartagena. Who did you go with? On that trip, I went with my wife Pilar, my son Santiago, and my daughter Isabella. When was that vacation? Those holidays were in the week of my children's races, more or less in my October. My favorite moments at school were with, and that time that I remember until today were my best friends from school, like Luis, Julian, and David. When did that event happen? This memorable moment for me happened in 2002, more or less in the month of September in the afternoon. Where were you? I was at my school that was located in the Florida neighborhood in the town of Engativá. We were in the schoolyard on the only soccer field there was. Thank you.